GainCity with the word is Jay Savage back with another video, man. Yeah, this the January body update. Yeah, that I'm giving y'all. My body looks great. You know what I'm saying? Still more growing to do. I still got to get to 200 pounds, you feel what I'm saying? I thought I was going to hit 200 pounds before 2025, but it's all good, though. I'm 175 right now. It's all good. Everything, slow growth is better than no growth, you feel what I'm saying? Still making progress, you feel what I'm saying? Like, don't stay in the same spot. You still making progress, you feel me?